Does your clipper pull hair? Many advise sandpaper on glass, but I tried it. It does not work if you lack patience and skills. I have a better and faster way. I apply polishing paste directly onto the blades. Don't be afraid, it is impossible to cut yourself. I'll show you exactly how to do it right, so watch until the end. Subscribe and hit the bell. If this video helps, definitely write in the comments which country you are watching from. I'm very interested. By the way, visit LifeKaki.com. There are many exclusive hacks and details there that simply didn't fit into this video. I assemble it for polishing. Secret: add a few drops of clipper oil. This improves gliding and saves the metal from overheating. I disassemble and wash off the paste. Look at this mirror shine. The metal is sharpened, which means it works. Cutting test. But if your blade still gets hot, in the next video, I will replace it with a ceramic one. Links to the paste and parts on AliExpress are in the description. Don't be lazy. Subscribe. It is important to us.